Brad, look at these condos that Caesar sent over. Some of them have pictures.
Oh, great.
Like, look at this one. That one looks pretty nice.
Brad and Cynde Carley are looking for a new place to live. As consultants for a computer firm, this busy couple has been splitting their time between the east and west coasts for over a year.
Basically, we're looking for like 3 main things in a condo, and that's inside laundry, a garage or private parking spot for at least 1 car, and outside entrance.
Brad and Cynde are also looking for a condo with a good layout for entertaining, an absolute must for this outgoing couple.
One of the things that's important to us is because we like to be outside, we'd like to find a condo with a balcony, some kind of a outside entrance that we can, or a patio, something where we can actually integrate being outside as part of our living space.
Right.
Okay, so what we have here is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit.
Okay.
Okay.
Today, the group will tour 2 condos before Cynde and Brad head to the airport to begin yet another business trip.
How many levels is this?
This is 3 levels. You have the living room area,
Okay.
fireplace,
It'd be nice to have a fireplace.
Yeah, it would.
the wet bar,
Okay.
and the kitchen. So we have built-ins, tile countertops, and the refrigerator's included. Let's take a look outside.
It wouldn't be that great for entertaining.
No. Private patio.
Yeah, it's nice to have a private patio.
It's a south-facing unit, close to the beach.
Okay. We could plant some trees out here, maybe. At least we're outside, right?
In some planters, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
This is nice.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Caesar takes them upstairs to the 2nd floor.
Very big.
This is a master suite. You have a loft upstairs.
Interesting. We could put the office up there, I guess the computers and stuff.
Yeah, that'd be a good space for the office.
So take a minute and just get a feel for the area and picture yourself living in this space.
Okay.
I don't know, what do you think?
You know, it's kind of apartment-y living still.
Yeah.
I mean, it's nice, but
Yeah.
I just get that,
Yeah, it's just not gonna work, I don't think.
I kind of get that apartment living feeling.
Yeah, I think that was a little pricey for the space, don't you think?
Yeah, I'm ready to see the next one.
Okay.
As Cynde and Brad head to the next condo, they're hopeful that it will be less like an apartment and more like a home than the last one.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, this is nice.
Excuse me.
Okay, so here we have a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath.
All right. Whoops. Excuse me.
We have a half bath to our right, and we have a kitchen here.
Oh, that's pretty
yeah.
small.
It's kind of small.
Yeah,
it's
it's a
weird how
little
they did the refrigerator like that. Fireplace.
A dining area,
This is
living
pretty
room.
small. What do you think?
It's all right.
and over here we have the fireplace,
Okay.
Is it? Oh, it looks like it's gas. Huh?
west-facing views.
Okay.
Let's take a look upstairs.
First impressions are critical. The Carleys' first impression of this condo is that it's just too small.
So upstairs we have 2 bedrooms.
Uh-huh.
The first bedroom, wall-to-wall closets.
Oh, shoebox.
Cynde and Brad are getting frustrated that they can't seem to find anything bigger for the money they're spending.
Nice, but
They're small. They're too small. I mean,
Yeah.
we might as well stay in an apartment.
right.
If we're gonna do that. I mean, what can
Well,
we do? Can
we-
you find something bigger here?
We've seen several condos now, and you know, being where we're looking, you're paying a premium to be near the ocean.
Right.
If you're looking for something with more space, more upgrades, then maybe what we need to do is expand your criteria, move a little bit further east. You'll still be within the distance to rollerblade and bike to the beach.
Right.
Okay.
You'll
Yeah.
get more for your money. You'll get possibly even a house.
For Cynde and Brad, who believe they could not afford a home in a neighborhood anywhere near the beach, Caesar has said the magic word.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right.
Caesar quickly checks his listings to find some homes in their price range that are a little further away from the beach.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath here. We have hardwood floors, remodeled kitchen. The lots here, since we're still fairly close to the beach, are going to be generally smaller. If we headed east, we could probably get a larger lot. So let's take a look at this place.
Okay. Oh.
This is
So we have tiled countertops, built-in appliances, breakfast area.
Nice.
This is,
Yeah, this
So you
is
can see-
definitely more the
definitely.
size that we want.
Lots of cupboard space. It's nice for
Okay.
entertaining.
It's great. Let's
Okay.
move on.
Oh,
This is nice.
it's nice. The cabinet's nice.
Yeah, and look, the tile's really nice too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Already, the Carleys can see that they're on the right track. Still fairly close to the beach, the homes in this neighborhood are much larger than the condos the couple had started looking at. And there's another big bonus to having a house.
Oh yeah,
Backyard.
this is cute.
Yes. Very good. Are there fruit trees here?
No fruit
Nope.
trees.
Very nice.
So what do you think of the property, the house, the lot size?
I like the house. The house is fine. I think maybe a little bit bigger backyard and a garage.
Yeah,
Don't
that
you
would be
think?
nice. A little bit bigger backyard, maybe.
Some like more of a lawn.
Now that Cynde and Brad have gone from looking at condos to looking at houses, it's a little like starting over. And the couple is curious to see how close they can get to their ideal house.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks, Caesar.
Yeah, this is
Definitely the right
right
direction.
idea.
Cancel those other condos that we were going to look at.
Okay.
I mean, let's just
Yeah.
look at homes.
Initially, they wanted to buy a condo in their present neighborhood by the beach, but they couldn't find anything that was big enough in their price range. With the help of their realtor, Cesar Marquez, Brad and Cynde decided to look further away from the beach, where they could afford a home rather than a condominium.
Okay, so this one's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
You know, Caesar, I have to get back to work too, so we have to make this
Okay.
quick. Oh, this must be the dining room.
We're further away from the beach, but for the square footage and lot size, we're gonna get more for your money out here.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's take a look. Over here, we have one of the bedrooms.
Oh, nice office, nice
really?
cabinets.
Short on time, Cynde and Brad quickly tour the house.
Here we have a bathroom.
Oh, this is nice.
I like the ceramic tile.
Oh yeah, and the glass block really lets in a lot of light.
So over here we have the kitchen with built-ins,
Nice.
I like the kitchen.
leading off the living room with fireplace, patio out the back.
This would be great for entertaining, wouldn't it?
Yeah, this is wonderful.
Man.
We have the master suite upstairs. Let's take a look.
Okay.
Up here we have the master suite,
Oh, this is nice.
master bathroom, wall-to-wall closets, and a balcony off the master suite.
This is great.
Yeah. Let's go out here.
Let's check this out.
Oh wow, look at this view of the golf course.
Oh, this is so nice. Wow.
This is great.
This is cool.
Look at the high ceilings too.
Okay.
Okay.
Now here we have a laundry room.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, wow.
You mean we'd have our own washer and dryer? Be awesome.
Let me show you the yard.
Okay.
We got a jacuzzi back here,
Oh, wow.
some fruit trees.
Oh, this is great.
Hey, Brad.
Hey, orange tree. Excellent.
Oh, plum tree.
Oh, it's so private back here. Why don't you give us a minute? Let us kind of get back to you on this.
Okay, I'll meet you out front.
Okay, thanks, Caesar.
So,
I love it, Brad.
I know,
Just it
it's
feels so
so-
private.
I
Isn't this
know.
amazing?
They've only been in the house for 10 minutes, but something about it just feels right.
Let's go inside.
Cynde has got to get back to work, but the couple sits down to quickly discuss how they feel.
well, what do you think?
Brad, I love it. It just has everything that I'm looking for. It's the best place we've seen so far. It has a formal dining room where we can put our dining room furniture. It has a guest bedroom. It has an office where we can put our computer and everything in. It has a laundry room. It just has everything that I've been looking for.
What do you think?
I think we should make an offer. I think we should do it.
All right, let's do it.
Making decisions quickly is what Brad and Cynde do best, and they both agree that this is one house they should not let get away.
Well, what do you think?
I love it.
Great.
We'd like to put in an offer.
Okay.
Cynde and Brad have struck a deal to buy the house. But for the Carleys, getting an accepted offer was the easy part. Now that the house is in escrow, they're having second thoughts about making the decision so quickly.
What if the house has problems they didn't see? To settle this issue, the Carleys hire a home inspector to thoroughly evaluate the house. Unfortunately, the Carleys' hectic work schedule means they won't even be in town when the inspection takes place. The Carleys will be on the phone long distance with Cindy's sister Kim and their friend Gary, a contractor, during the inspection.
Howdy, guys.
How you doing?
Hi, I'm Craig.
Gary Public.
Gary, it's a pleasure. National 500.
I'm Kim, Cindy's sister.
Kim, it's a pleasure. So this is the place.
Yep. Well, where would you like to start?
Meanwhile, Cynde and Brad are in an East Coast hotel room, listening in as the inspection begins in the laundry room.
Yeah, it looks like we don't have a gas shut-off valve on the dryer. Can you see it right back there?
Right.
Certainly something we want to take care of. That's pretty important.
Then the team checks the outside of the house where Craig and Gary find a leak.
You can see where the water has come down here, and where they joined it, they sealed it with the
Fiberglass tape.
Exactly. Okay, and that's come loose, so we may be getting some water on the inside. When we go inside, we want to make sure we double check in here. Right. So this is where, if we have a leak, we probably most likely see it.
Brad,
there we are.
we're talking about the leak that we had outside, and so we're trying to see if it traveled inside anywhere, and it looks like it has.
The inspection wraps up in the bathroom, where Craig finds another potential problem.
Whoa, see that?
Oh, yeah.
What's happening there is that every time you flush that toilet, it's going to possibly leak underneath there. There's a wax ring that seals between the sewer line and the floor.
Right.
And what happens every time you flush it, if that wax ring is not sitting in there properly, which it's not secured, we could get some water going onto the subfloor and onto the ceramic tile, which could cause a lot of damage down there.
The bathroom is finished, and with all the home's other problems accounted for, the inspection is over.
All right, well, we just got the inspection report. Everything's finished, complete. Everything looks very easy to fix. No problem here.
Okay, great. Garrett, thanks a lot for doing all this. And tell Kim thanks as well.
So you guys take care. We'll talk to you soon. Okay.
Thanks a lot.
You bet.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Now that they've filled their home with furniture and decorated to suit their tastes, are they happy with the way things turned out?
Having a home is wonderful. We love it. It's just wonderful. It feels so good to know when we're coming home that this is our house.
And it really already has kind of given us the motivation to be at home more.
In a way, I feel like a home has a personality. Now, this home belongs to us. It says us. We're committed to this home. It's not easy to get rid of. It's almost like a marriage. It makes us want to be here. It's almost like a relationship that you build with your home.